Happy weekend, y'all. Nay, we filled the bird feeder, the hopper. Ooh. Name that bird. Name that bird. Oh, he got himself a good nugget. Oh, oh. I love watching where they go. They go and take them all around, bury them in the bushes, buried in the grass. They're going to go bury it in the neighbor's bush over there. Look, he's still going across the street to the neighbor's house. It's so fun seeing where they take their nuts to hide them. He's a pretty birdie. He's a big one. Name that bird. Happy weekend, y'all.